right to the front door of the bride's house. There's a little greeting ceremony that goes on, and that when someone very, very special arrives at your home, this is a ceremony that's done, and it indicates that in your hearts, there's really no one more special than your future someone. The sister is going to come forward. She's just double checking. You'll allow the ceremony to go on if he gives you a gift, usually some cash. The the groom breaks this very vigorously with his right foot. It's a sign to Ameesha's family and all the friends that they should be in no anxiety. He's going to take care of her. Now this underpart, what it means, traditionally it meant the bride and groom hadn't seen each other. We know that's not true. Up to today, there's always been something, time, place, circumstance, keeping the two of them apart at different times. But when this curtain comes down, we go on with the wedding ceremony. At that time, it means their two lives become one. Dear Chris.
Dear Chris.
With this garland.
With this garland.
I choose you.
I choose you.
To be my partner.
To be my partner.
My best friend.
My best friend.
To love.
To love.
Honor.
Honor.
And cherish.
And cherish.
The rest of my life.
The rest of my life.
I now take your hand, and for the rest of our lives, we'll live together. I promise you to love you, to cherish you with all my heart. I promise that I'll always be honest and open with you, never hide my feelings from you, and always compliment daily your charm, beauty, and intellect.
That's perfect. Chris, I love you and the dreamlike life we have built together. I love your goofy sense of humor that never fails to make me laugh. I love how sensitive and caring you are. I love how you've indulged my unhealthy obsession with ramen. Long story short, I love everything about you. I promise to support you in anything that you want to work towards in life. I promise to never take life too seriously because I know that our relationship thrives when we're having fun, pretty much always. You have made my life complete, and there aren't enough words to describe how honored I am to be your wife.
Ameesha, from the moment we met, you redefined what being in love means to me. When I'm with you, life becomes larger, my troubles feel smaller, and any doubts I have about the future fade away. When I'm with you, I am without question my best version of myself. You have done more for me than anyone, including you, could ever realize. Although no matter how convincingly you ask me, I can't magically turn a Monday morning into a Friday night, I can and do promise to do everything in my power to make every day better than the last. I promise to always be there to hold your hand no matter what surprises come our way.
Now it is said that Saptapati Gamana, after Chris and Ameesha take these 7 steps, they are considered husband and wife.
I would like to now introduce to everyone here our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Chris and Ameesha. And Chris the bride.
So proud of you. As the firstborn, you taught us to be parents. And if you made any mistakes, forgive us. so that we could be better parents to our second born.
Chris goes on the first date of this weekend and immediately says, I don't think I need to go on that other date.
But when she first told me about Chris, it was different.
It was very clear as soon as we met Ameesha why that was.
Chris, it has been an absolute honor from the first day we met you, and your love for Indian food. I go back to that again.
But seriously, I couldn't have asked for a better guy for Ameesha to go crazy over.
He brings out all of Chris's best characteristics.
Your empathy and your kindness towards my family showed me that you're a man who can love unconditionally, and I couldn't be more excited to welcome you as my new brother.
It's impossible to think of a problem that I can't see them solving together.
It was phenomenal, and all the graciousness and the goodwill that you've shown all along, and it's been really good. And welcome to the family. Very happy to have you as our son, first son of our family.
And I just want to say cheers to Chris and Ameesha. We love you very much.
And so with that, I want to raise a toast to Ameesha and Chris and wish them a lifetime of love and happiness.
Cheers.